Every year, thousands of people are injured or killed in bicycle accidents in Florida. Recent studies show that Florida has one of the highest rates of bicycle accidents and fatalities in the entire nation. Therefore, the need for a Tampa bicycle accident lawyer is ever increasing. Collisions with motor vehicles are the #1 cause. Even before taking legal action, you should seek the help of a medical professional to examine you and determine the extent of your injuries. The sooner after your accident you do this, the better. If you have not been seen by your doctor since your accident, call them or visit your nearest urgent care facility immediately. Even if you think you might be partially at fault in your accident, the operator of the vehicle that hit you often shares a percentage of the blame in the eyes of the law. Even if you were as much as 50% at fault, you likely still have a case. We have multiple lawyers that specialize in a wide variety of automotive accidents and can be reached at any time of day. Tampa alone is a hot spot for bicycle accidents, and with Florida being the most dangerous state for bicyclists nationwide, it's no wonder that we have fought and won so many bike accident cases in recent years. Through a combination of dangerous road designs and negligent drivers, Tampa is home to far too many injuries and deaths suffered by cyclists. If you have been injured in a bicycle accident, even if you aren't sure exactly who was to blame, you need an experienced bicycle accident lawyer to help you sort through the details. We will help you collect any compensation to which you might be entitled to your injury. Winters and Yonker, Tampa's aggressive bike accident lawyer team, is here to help. Call us today to arrange a free initial consultation on your case.